Welcome back to Auto Luxury Channel. Today, we're stepping into the world of classic American luxury with an absolute icon, the 1967 Cadillac DeVille Convertible. From its rich history to jaw-dropping design and impressive performance for its time, we're diving deep into everything that makes this Cadillac a legend. Let's roll. The Cadillac DeVille nameplate was introduced in 1959 as a premium luxury model, but by 1967, it had become one of the most desired cars in America. The DeVille Convertible represented the pinnacle of comfort, status, and automotive prestige. This was the era when Cadillac competed with the best of European luxury, and at a time when American cars were big, bold, and beautifully styled. The 1967 model year marked a refined and modernized design for the DeVille, balancing traditional Cadillac elegance with updated styling cues. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement. Exterior. Take a look at this beauty. The 1967 Cadillac DeVille Convertible is long and low, with sweeping lines that scream classic American luxury. Key exterior features. Massive chrome grille, a signature Cadillac centerpiece that gives the front end a bold presence. Sharp body lines, elegant yet assertive, embodying the design language of the late 60s. Convertible soft top, easily retracted for open-air cruising, perfect for shows, parades, or Sunday drives. Every detail, from the Cadillac crest on the hubcaps to the fine chrome trim, reflects America's love for style and presence. This car doesn't just get noticed, it commands attention. Interior. Step inside, and you're transported into pure luxury. Cadillac set the standard with interior comfort and premium appointments that were unmatched in 1967. Interior highlights. Plush leather seats, deeply cushioned and comfortable, perfect for long cruise nights. Elegant dashboard design, flowing lines with chrome accents and easy-to-read gauges. Classic steering wheel, large and distinctive, built for relaxed driving rather than sportiness. Everything inside feels substantial, from the weight of the chrome knobs to the supple texture of the upholstery. This wasn't just a vehicle, it was your personal lounge on wheels. Performance. Under the hood, the 1967 DeVille Convertible is powered by a 429 cubic inch V8 engine, one of Cadillac's largest at the time. Performance specs. Engine, 429 V8. Horsepower, around 340 horsepower. Transmission, smooth hydromatic automatic. Driving personality, effortless, refined, and powerful. This Cadillac wasn't built for drag racing, it was built for smooth, confident cruising. With a relaxed torque-rich engine, power steering, and soft suspension, it delivers a float-like feeling that perfectly suits the open road. Hear that engine rumble? That's American V8 power, reliable, smooth, and full of character. A few cool tidbits. The 1967 model was the first DeVille to adopt a more restrained and sophisticated body style compared to the over-the-top designs of the early 60s. Convertible models are especially rare and highly collectible today. These cars were often seen in Hollywood films and driven by celebrities, a true symbol of success. Conclusion. So, what makes the 1967 Cadillac DeVille Convertible so legendary? It's more than just a classic car, it's a rolling tribute to American craftsmanship, luxury, and style. Summary. A bold design that defined the late 60s. A luxurious interior built for comfort. A powerful V8 engine that made cruising effortless. A timeless classic that still turns heads today. If you're a fan of true automotive heritage, this Cadillac is a masterpiece worth celebration. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive history, hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car features, and comment below, what classic Cadillac do you want us to cover next? Until next time, keep loving the class.